Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. We're here to do unboxing of a screen protector and camera protector for iPhone 11. This came from Amazon, and let's start by opening this package. The brand is Unique Me. I'll just post in the description how much is this. You will also receive a free gift from Unique Me, like a charger, wireless charger, USB case. Just follow the link on that card and there will be a survey. And another one is a congratulatory note. They will also give you a dry and wet wipes, which is the usual things inside the screen protector package. And this is the 2 pieces of screen protector. So these are well packaged. As you can see, there's a protective layer so that it won't scratch. And this is the other one. And this is the camera protector. They include 2 sets of wipes, a squeegee, and those stickers. And the other one is used to lift up those tiny dust on the screen. And those 3 strips are for the guide of the screen protector, which you will see later. And this is a microfiber. So what I always do is remove the tiny dust from the wipes, the microfiber. First thing to use is the wet wipe to clean the screen of your cell phone. Remove those grease and fingerprints. Next is use the dry wipe to remove the excess liquid from the wet wipes. Then inspect for any tiny dust. Here you can see there's a small white dust which came from the dry wipe. So here we can use this sticker. As you can see, it says dust absorber. This is to lift up those tiny dust that you can see on the screen protector, I mean on the screen of your cell phone. You have to inspect thoroughly because whatever left on the screen will be there once you put the screen protector. Now we will use this guide sticker, which will ensure that you put the screen protector aligned with the screen of the iPhone. Make sure that this side of the screen protector with the peel-off direction is facing your cell phone screen. Once the screen protector is aligned with the screen of the cell phone, press down the half of the sticker to the screen protector. This will ensure that the screen protector will not move when you are applying the screen protector to the cell phone. Now flip the screen protector up and I will remove some dust particle for the last time before I install the screen protector permanently. And then peel off the sticker of the screen protector. And sadly I'm missing some part of the video, but once you remove the sticker you can install the screen protector directly to the screen of the cell phone and then remove the remaining sticker once the screen protector is installed. And then you use a squeegee to remove some bubble packet that you can see on the screen, and then that's it. Clean it up with the microfiber cloth afterwards. Now let's proceed with the installing of a camera protector for the iPhone 11. This one includes wet and dry wipes, squeegee, and also a microfiber. Now let's start with cleaning the back of the cell phone using the wet wipes. You have to clean the camera and also the back because some part of the back of the cell phone might have some dust or dirt that will come in contact with the camera or while you're preparing to install the camera protector. Using the dry wipe, remove the excess moisture at the back of your cell phone, especially at the lens of the camera. Using the dust absorber, remove dust particle at the camera lens. Now that it's clean, we will install the camera lens protector. Now remove the camera lens protector by holding up the side and avoid touching the sticky part. Align the camera lens protector to your camera lens, and then use the squeegee to remove some air pocket. Then lastly, reinstall your cell phone's case. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.